What's up guys, today in this video tutorial I'll show you guys how you can speed up your PC by a bit. So, it's not gonna speed it a lot, but it will help a bit if you have like extra hardware drive and you're not using it basically. So first you should click on start, then computer, and then right click properties. Next go to advanced system settings. So you see this advanced tab right here. So basically first you want to click on performance because that's what you're basically working on. So click settings, and in this one you should click the third one which says adjust for best performance. So basically if you do that, Vista reduces like about 50 MB of your RAM that you've been using. So that's actually, it doesn't seem a lot, but when it comes to like programs running, it actually helps a lot. So, and if you have like, for example, I have 256 gigs of hard drive, so like I don't need that much, so I basically set like 100 gig for my page drive. What paging file size actually does, it's like just kind of gives it a boost. So for example, if your file's holding like the C main file, then you can set it up. So for most users it should be up here, like automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. I would suggest you click on custom size, and then for example, let's say you have 100 gigs and you basically mostly use like 30 gigs or some shit. So basically you can put in, like for example, you want to set like, let's say 50 gigs, then you put 50,000 here. So you put that and the maximum size you want. For example, let's say you want the maximum size to be 60 gigs, so you put 60,000 here. Then you click set, and after that it's gonna set it up for you, then you gotta restart it. And for this one too, for example, it says adjust for best performance of. If you click background services, it's not gonna help you all, but I'd suggest you click it for programs that could help you with programs like their speeding and stuff. And you should go to data execution prevention. It basically does is, like for example, let's say you're playing a game and it wants to connect to the internet, but there's some rules and laws that DEP has, so sometimes it just doesn't let the game connect to the internet, like sometimes, not all the times. But so you should click on turn on for essential windows and program shits, so that it turns on for only like the really essential programs, so that no virus gets into it. And that's basically it for this one. And I'll suggest, if you guys have like for example users who are using Vista, you should also try to do like, you can download this software. It actually helps a lot. It's called Tune Up Utilities 2009. Links will be in the description, so you can open it up, go install it, open it up, then you can test it. It says continue testing. Then for example, my system is optimized right now. Look, like for example, it showed me that one problem was found. It tells you everything that you should do. Like right now it says please check the status of the system area below. So basically what you can do is click on details here, and then it's telling me that my drive has never been checked for file errors, but I don't want to do this right now, so I can do it later. So it also tells you like how you can fix this error. So that's what you guys can do too, like free up disk space. It has like, it's a free tool that has like many things that could help you, like registry cleaner, you can run it. In uninstall manager problem, like if your computer is like, you think it's viruses and other stuff. I'll also put some antiviruses if you guys want some more tutorials for like how you can speed up Vista a bit, like for gaming and stuff. And there's also this tool that's a bit helpful. Oh wow, Vista froze. See, that's why you kinda hate Vista, because it's sometimes just like 1 gig. Well, let me show you. I have like 1 gig. Look, 810 MBs is being used, so yeah, that's why Vista sucks. So also basically, this is a tool called Crucial Memory Mechanic. Like for some users, if they wanna basically free up some RAM, not for gaming, it's not gonna work that much, but if you're like trying to run Windows programs, then you can basically download this little bitch in here. And basically what it does is, when you optimize it, like for example it shows me right here 762 2.82 MB is in use, so that's actually bad, because that's like 76% of my RAM used for like nothing. Look, I'm not even running any games or anything. Look, so basically you click next. Now it's gonna like defrag it. Your PC might go unresponsive. Maybe the lag, it can lag out for some users if you have like slow PC. So basically just wait for it, and now the progress is done. So look, it recovered 20% of my RAM, so that's not actually bad, eh? Now I can even show you the proof. It was like 800 something before, right? 547, that just dropped right there. So that's a proof that it works. Also, people might have heard of CC Cleaner. All the users like basically use it to like delete extra craps. For example, like internet files that you downloaded and clicked on run, so they still don't get deleted, so you gotta do it manually. So you can basically download this software called CC Cleaner. It's a freeware software, you don't have to pay anything, and basically you can, when you're done, you can select whatever you want to download, delete, so that you can free up some space and speed up your PC by a bit, not that much. Plus it also shows you, like for example, some people don't know what their PC is, like their RAM or their graphics card, or what their hard drive is, their processors. So it also shows